So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn bucket sorts. Okay. So what is the bucket sort? Bucket sort is a sorting algorithm that divide the arrow into bucket. Okay. So what is the bucket sort? Bucket sorts divide the array into buckets. Okay. Sort each bucket individually using another sorting algorithm like insertion sort or quick sort. Okay, so merge all these buckets back into a sorted list. Okay, so here we need to check array equals to 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 2 comma 8 comma 9 sorry 6 comma 9 comma 1. Okay, so number of the bucket round uh, square root of n. So round of 9 equals to 3. So maximum value equals to 9. Okay. We in array we have 9 elements. That's why we need to round it. So this is the 3 and maximum value equals to 9. So use this formula to find which bucket each number goes into a. Okay. So bucket index equals to CEIL in bracket value into number of the bucket divided by maximum value. For example, for value equals to 5. Okay, so CIL 5 into 3 divided by 9. Okay, so 5 into 3 is 15 divided by 9. Okay, so but I mean 2. So 5 goes to a bucket 2. Okay, so we got 2 here. So uh, 5 goes into a bucket 2. Here for value 1, CIL means square root. Okay, so 1 into 3 divided by 9 equals to 1. Okay, so we got 1 here. So now 1 goes to a bucket 1. Okay, so we use insertion sort, use inside the bucket sorts. Okay, so here you can see this is the insertion sort. This is the array for I in the range of 1 and length of array. So key equals to array of I. So key this one 5 3 4 7. These are the keys and j equals to I minus 1. Okay, so while j is greater than equals to 0 and array of j is greater than key, array of j plus 1 equals to array of j. So here j we need to I mean decrease by 1. So here you can see array of j plus 1 equals to k return array. So needed use inside the bucket sort. So here you can see bucket sort. Okay, so bucket sort equals to custom. I mean, this is the function we are going to import man, and this is the bucket sort function. We know to. I mean, we we are going to put custom list as an argument. If the length of custom list equals to 0, return custom list. Okay, so calculate number of the bucket. So we need to define one variable. Number of the bucket equals to round of math dot score or length of custom bucket. Okay, so find the maximum value in the array. Here you can use max function from Python. Okay, so we need to find out maximum length of the maximum value in the array. Okay, so this is the way to find out the maximum value. Here create an empty bucket. So this is the empty bucket. So for I am going to use for loop for I in the range number in for I in the range of we are going to pass here numbers of bucket. So bucket dot append. Okay, so we need to append this and put it here in bucket. For here distribute the element into a bucket for value in custom list. Okay, here we can find out index and here we need to append it. Okay, so sort each bucket for I in the range of number of the bucket and bucket of I equals to insertion sort. So we already no insertion sort. Okay, so here I am going to apply insertion sort to sort each of each bucket. Okay, so here I am going to merge bucket. Okay, sorted array for sort bucket in the bucket, and we are going to extend buckets here return sorted array. Okay, so here this is the, for example purpose, this is our data, and this is the original data, and this is the sorted bucket. So here you can see this is the example. So guys, I mean we will solve lead code problem also in next video from bucket sorts. We will explain each step one by one. So please watch my another video. Please do share, follow, and like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.